In this video, I'll show you how to quickly add your bank details in Zoho Books. This simple step helps you track all your transactions automatically and manage your finances with ease. Start by logging into Zoho Books and clicking on the banking module in the left sidebar. Once you're there, click Add Bank or Credit Card in the top right corner. Now, type your bank's name in the search bar and select it from the list. Next, choose a service provider like Yodlee or Token to securely connect Zoho Books with your bank. Enter your bank login credentials to authorize the connection. This allows Zoho Books to safely import your transactions. After that, select a specific bank account you want to link and set the date range for importing transactions up to the last 90 days. Make sure the currency is correct, then click Continue. Zoho Books will automatically connect to your bank and start syncing your recent transactions. And that's it. Your bank details are now added. This feature saves you time, eliminates manual entry errors, and gives you accurate, real-time financial data. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Zoho Books tutorials.